Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Nidoran from Pokemon. As you can see on the paper right now, I already lightly drew Nidoran, and I did not record the process of me drawing it, but I'm going to try my best to explain how to draw step by step. First, I will be focusing on how to draw the head of Nidoran. As you can see, the head shape of Nidoran is a circle. So somewhere on the paper, as you can see, I am drawing a curved line on top and leaving a space for the horn and curving it downwards, sort of like a letter C. After you've done that, we're going to move up top to draw the horn that you left a space at. Moving over to the left side, we're going to complete the head of Nidoran, just drawing a curved line going down and leaving a space for the ear. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw the eye of Nidoran. Right now I'm drawing a curved line going down, and on the left side right over here, I'm just drawing another curved line, and on the bottom, I'm connecting the lines all together. Moving towards the middle of the eye, I'm drawing a line slightly curving down, and at the top right here, I'm drawing a half circle for the highlight of Nidoran, and at the outside of the eye, I'm drawing the eye fold, just drawing a dash. Moving right over here, I'm going to draw the nose and the mouth of Nidoran, and to draw the nose, what I'm doing is that I'm going to draw two minus signs. And right below the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. It's like a letter W but very wide. To complete drawing the mouth of Nidoran, at the side right here, I'm drawing a curved line going down at this line, and for the tooth, I'm just drawing a rectangle just like this, halfway down the mouth. To draw the tongue, as you can see, I drew a small line between the end of the mouth and the tooth. Once you're done drawing the mouth of Nidoran, we're going to move over slightly to the left to draw the whiskers of Nidoran. I'm drawing two triangles, one on top, which is slightly longer, and one on the bottom, as you can see, which is slightly shorter. And I'm going to do the same thing, aligning it to the right side. When you're drawing Nidoran and you feel like the video is going too fast, you can pause and go back to a few steps to draw whatever parts you need to draw, and you don't have to draw exactly what I'm drawing. This is just an idea how to draw Nidoran. Now we're going to move over up top to draw the ears of Nidoran. As you can see from the horn and the ear, there's a little space. Right now I'm drawing a small line going up, and right over here I'm drawing a diagonal line connecting it together, and at this corner I'm drawing a curved line going down, leaving space in between the lines, as you can see, and drawing a line straight across. And over here we're going to draw the next ear as closer to us. Same thing, we're going to draw a line going up, a small line going up, and a line continuing going up. And at this corner, we're going to curve it down just a little bit, and moving the line up again, and moving across, going downwards, just like this. It's kind of hard to explain how to draw Nidoran's ear, so I'm going to let you see what I'm doing and enjoy the music. Alright, I am back. Hopefully you can draw the ear, and I'm going to move the paper slightly down to continue to draw the body of Nidoran. Starting from here, I'm drawing a line curving down. This will be the back leg of Nidoran. Moving over to the right side, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just drawing a line curving it down, and this will be the other side of Nidoran's leg. And down below right over here, I'm going to draw one of the feet of Nidoran. As you can see, I just drew a line, and right here I'm going to draw 3 claws. To draw the claws, I'm just drawing small triangles. For the rest of the feet of Nidoran, it's basically the same steps that I have done before. Once you're done drawing the legs, you're almost done drawing Nidoran. All you have to do is just draw the back of Nidoran, which are small triangles on the sides, just like this. And on the inside, the little freckles, I just drew random small circles around the body. As you can see, some are smaller and some are bigger. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it to a time lapse to show you my outlining and coloring of Nidoran. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.